Well, I saw your question here. I think I've pulled the right one. You said number 10, which corresponds to number 7 in the assignment. I think you identified P correctly as 0.353 in your email here. But P hat's where I think you messed up. You identified P hat as 265, and it should actually, it's a proportion. It should be 265 or 500. I mean, it's this number divided by that number. It's that proportion, which actually comes out to 0.53. When I was looking at your question, you do have this value correct, which is what you need P hat for. So I'm not sure how you got to 0, which is correct answer, given what you emailed me. But right here's your problem. I mean, P hat is not 265. It's 265 over 500, which is 0.53. And you put D's in there with Q and N. I think you now know how to do the rest of the formula. Hope this helps.